guys, welcome back. This is our China 2.0. If you're new here, we're a full-time travel couple from the UK. As I said, we're in China. We're in Xiamen city, a beautiful beach city. We literally arrived yesterday, so we haven't had a chance to explore. So today it's going to be all about our first impressions of this city. Our initial impressions is it's very tropical here. Not as many like high-rise building as when we were in Beijing probably about 5 months ago. So we're really looking forward to seeing like the different kind of part of China. This looks like a city that no tourists go. Like yesterday when we were walking around trying to find a hotel, as you do, everyone was like staring at us and smiling and saying welcome to China. Really nice people so far. But we're going to head to the main walking street where there should be loads of stores, food and everything you can imagine. So let's go, Ben. Come on, you got your man bag on?
Yeah, I was there. I was in the background.
We did think we were ready, but we haven't got a card to get out. That's not the card. That's not the card.
No?
No, so this is our hotel that we checked in late last night. Wow, there's kids on like the piano.
Oh, yeah.
It's probably nice. It's like a 3-star hotel, but it feels like better than that. If it got updated, it would be like a 5-star. Ben said we got about a 36-minute walk. We spent most of the morning trying to sort out like all our apps and our locations and where to go. So hopefully we're more organised. Yesterday we're like Apple Pay wasn't working and I didn't have eSIM and it was just a bit of a mess. But today we're back at it. But like I said, the tropical feel, you can see the palm trees literally outside our hotel. It looks beautiful, but it's overcast today, so it's really cool. It's like t-shirt weather.
Feels warm, doesn't it?
Yeah, I think once we get moving, it's going to get more muggy. But at the moment, it's pleasant. But Ben, get the map out and let's head to the walking street. We've got first, we call them sky bridges, but they've got escalator.
An outside escalator.
That's all good.
Yeah.
How does it work if it rains though? It's not even covered.
It's obviously waterproof, isn't it?
We're about maybe halfway there, I think.
Yeah.
I'm getting hungry though.
I would say the vibe of the city is like so different to Beijing. There's a lot of similarities.
It's not as hectic.
Yeah, you've got like still got the bikes and stuff, but not all of them have got lanes, so you get a lot of them like riding on the pavement as well.
A lot more kids here. I feel like we've seen loads of kids. Kids are so cute.
Well, it's the holidays as well.
Finally, after wandering around for about 20-30 minutes, we've made it to the walking street. What is the proper name though, Ben?
Zhongshan.
Zhongshan.
I think.
Ben's better at pronouncing the Chinese words. I can't even pronounce English words. So.
Correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah, I think so.
It is proper busy. Look at it all. Whoa.
At the time of recording, this is the 3rd of October, so we're bang smack in the middle of Golden Week. So obviously it's busy. It's about 5 o'clock in the evening.
Whoa, look at this. Gotta check this out. Whoa. People's like going up there playing the drums. There's like a dragon, a monkey. Oh, this street's crazy. I'm guessing it's like a touristy street, so people who come here come along the street. But I'm loving how everyone's dressed out here. The girls are wearing some stunning dresses. The fashion out here, I just love it. They're just so wacky and out there.
You said that in Beijing, didn't you?
Yeah, and they literally just don't care. Like nothing's the same. Look at this shot, it's like a dragon. Everyone's getting like photos here. It's like loads of photo opportunities if you're into your Instagram, WeChat, all that. These are what I want to look at, these little stores here. Perfumes. Oh wow. Hello. Those are like little trinkets. Oh, what these are? Oh, they're like pancakes. Got skewers, seashells, like pearls. Oh wow, you can buy like sets of nails. What are these? 25. That's well good. These are good little stores. Dragon egg. Oh, look at the dragons. This is such a cool street. I keep seeing people with these like carrier bags from here, so we're just checking them out. They've got little tasters. Grab one to try then. This shop. No idea what it is, but it's really nice.
It looks savoury.
And they're fruity in the middle.
Cheesy.
It's good. They gave us They gave us another one to try. It's like a biscuit.
Pineapple.
Yeah, and a biscuity outside, isn't it?
Yeah, that's better.
Oh my god, I've been seeing loads of like tasters. I think we might just have to go around doing all the tasters.
Well, there's some people that sing with some traditional instruments there. Really epic. This road, honestly, is absolutely epic. Busy. I'm like, look, Rianne's got me.
I'm grabbing you so you don't walk into people.
Yeah, like my eyes aren't so good, so I might walk into people. But this is like. I don't know if it's just because it's the national holiday or it's always like this, but yeah, it's really good. Loads of things, loads of food, loads of restaurants.
Let's look for our next taster.
Yeah, we're on the verge for a taster. You know what we're like? We don't like spending money.
Yeah, look. I'll get one.
Oh, you got free drinks here.
Oh, it's gone. Got to empty the tray because people keep leaving it on. See, that's how you do it. Not for you.
Do it myself then.
Ben! Ponder.
Oh. Slight like fruity taste. Yeah, just iced tea.
All in one? Look, doing a shot. Oh, don't peach iced tea. That's really nice. It's really cold. I can see they're cutting up some. What's it called? The chewy stuff. You have in Turkey.
Nougat.
They've just cut up the nougat. We're going to try that.
Oh.
Thank you. Picture. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Our first picture here in China. I found us that nougat though.
It's like nutty.
And sweet. They were saying something to us, but I heard, so she showed me the camera. I was like, picture, and they're like, yeah. Oh, this
Yeah, I
is
don't know what they're saying. If you heard it on, would they heard it?
You might have heard it. I had the camera on.
If you heard it, and you know what they said, let us know.
They're asking for a picture. They probably read our top.
Yeah, like walking.
I can't believe this is literally the best day ever. Free food's like my favourite thing. They've got like waffles here for 18. Gosh, it's a good thing we've got little tasters so we can eat more.
Let us know in the comments, right? Is this street, is it always like this? Is there always free stuff, or is it just like this because it's the holidays?
I reckon because of the holidays.
Yeah, I think so as well.
It's obviously 10 times as busy at this time of year. To be honest, I thought it'd be a lot more busier. Like, I thought we'd be like this.
Although some areas though, you can't move.
It's only you, because you're ginormous. I think it feels like you're up there looking over the crowd, so it looks more crowded. I don't know.
All over Asia, I feel massive. But in China, generally, there is a lot of small people, but there is they're quite big Chinese people as well. Like
tall,
like Shally Zhang, the boxer, yeah, he's big.
Alright, where's our next shop? Oh, we've spotted like KFC and McDonald's down here, usual. I just saw someone with the lemon tart. The lemon tarts are unreal. The pastry is so light and fluffy, and then the lemon in it's really sour.
This
so
is a great
good.
street. I thought, like, because obviously this is our first day, I thought let's go straight to the most famous street. But I had a feeling that we'd need to do more things to make a video. But this is like
More than enough.
doing my expectations is like blown away.
Well, we've come to the end of the street, so we've done the whole strip. They've got a stage with people singing and all that energy you can hear in the background, and it's right next to the lake. We're doing another turn because we want to go and get some actual food, like actually pay for some food. And there's some like really nice bracelets in the middle. Hello! Hello! Hi!
Thank
you! Woo! Crumbly!
Yes, it's
Very nice. Another one.
okay. It's pineapple.
Pineapple.
Yes.
You speak English?
Oh, thank you. Very nice.
So bye bye.
What is it?
Apple.
Try it. Is it alcohol?
Apple.
I'm not sure. Yeah, 15%.
Oh, strong.
Ooh.
Dizzy. We've got to try it together.
Oh gosh.
Cheers.
Right, ready? Cheers! Strong!
Thank you.
Cheers, cheers. Oh my god. That'd be a nice cap. Whoa. What was that?
I'm not sure.
Let us know what that is down below.
It tasted a little bit natural. It's obviously something fermented into alcohol.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Woo.
Like a moonshine.
Oh my
Nice
god,
though.
literally everyone's giving us tasters.
Try some tea. Try some tea. Say.
Flower.
Flower tea.
Watermelon.
Thank you.
delicious.
UK, England.
England, yeah. Say.
Blueberries.
Banana, blueberry.
Oh, that's well nice. Blueberry. Thank you.
Delicious. It's really good.
Like a mango.
Say.
Mango.
Okay.
Mango.
Mango.
Okay. Say. Thank you.
啊，你会讲中文的？
Yeah?
哦，啊，你听不懂。
Yeah, say.
God knows what he said.
I don't know what he said.
I think he was speaking to our camera.
Yeah. Although he said, he obviously said something to the camera. Yeah, translate it for me because obviously I don't know.
We've joined the queue here. It's really good because the guy gives you that and you pay for it. And then it says like, so we're having the 35 yarn one. Everyone's queuing here, so we're gonna try it. But we translated it and it says crispy duck.
High expectations of this. You don't get a queue like this if it's not like unreal. So when you order, right, they give you one of these, put the prices at 35. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4 options up there. Obviously we went for middle diddle. We think it's the duck one. We're not too sure, we're gonna see what we get. But yeah, like I said earlier, popular means good.
No, thank you.
Thank you. Xie.
England.
Huh?
England 哪里？
England.
England, UK,
England。
Britain.
啊？
Britain?
不是 America。
America? No.
England。
England.
England. We're England, not America.
你会不会听中文？
Can hear, yeah. Can't hear. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's it. This man's like constantly busy. Really nice guy. Got them all lined up.
He's a bigger fryer.
Yeah, he does need a bigger fryer.
Cheese.
Oh my god, this looks so good. Come over here, out the way. So I'm pretty certain this is crispy duck with taro, which is a root vegetable. Obviously, as you saw, it's deep fried, cooked to order, so it's going to be really hot. So I'm going to get an outside bit. Whoa. So it's like cheesy. And you can see like the purple. I'm guessing that's like the taro. Honestly, don't think there's any duck.
Really?
I think our translator device might have been wrong. I think it's literally just taro paste. If you look in the middle, you got like the cheesy one. I'm gonna try to get one.
Get a cheesy one.
Yeah. Could be duck. Oh no, there is duck, look.
Oh, yeah.
There is duck. Our translator device didn't fail us. Oh my god, I'm well messing this up. So we've got a good cheesy bit with a bit of duck. So I think we'll get more flavour. It was a bit bland, that bit. But it's gonna be so hot.
What chuffed is?
It's really hot, stringy cheese, and you got like the little bit of duck. There ain't a lot of duck in there. It's mainly the taro. It's really good, crispy on the outside and warm on the inside, nice and chewy.
Shall I try it?
You want to try a bit?
Yeah.
Make sure you go from the middle.
Yeah, that's proper like cheesy. Oh, it's delicious. Oh, I can't really taste the duck. Can you?
No, there's not much duck in it, so you can't really taste it.
Yeah, it's more like you can like taste like a lot of the cheese. Really smooth though.
Quite
Nice.
delicious. Hello.
Hi. Hey.
Good.
Shake. Yeah, good.
We had a few people watching us. As we say, there's just not a lot of duck in it, but I'm guessing the main course bit. But look at that cheese. Alright, let's try this one. So we just tried a bit more, and I just had a bit that had loads of dark. It was delicious, juicy, works really well on it. But look at the queue now. It's going all the way around there.
How long it is? Because the night walking couple were there.
But I can't remember if we said it was 35 yuan for this, and it's humongous.
A bit young for a tattoo. Let's look at henna.
It's starting to turn into evening. It looks even cool now. Look at all the lights. It's all lit up. We've got a sign, all the lights around. It looks so good.
Yeah,
We've had so much fun.
It is. That main street is even better. I would definitely say it definitely feels cheaper than Beijing.
100%.
100%.
Hello.
Hello. And also, like Reanne said, we've just had a load of fun. It's just been a really good vibe. Temperature's really nice. It's been really, it's just been a lovely day.
We felt a little bit of rain a minute ago, but it stopped. Like, it was literally like someone weed on me for 30 seconds, and that was it. Oh, I think that's like a little more. There's like an inside bit there. Do you have a look? I think we're going to go in there. We were going to head home, but we keep seeing things. I think this is one of like the best walking streets I've ever been down.
Yeah,
like,
it's epic. It's really good.
The vibes are just so like lively and happy and colourful. Not just the main street. You've got like loads of little streets going off. This is the first one we come off of. You got like a big doggy with a diamond in it. Oh my god, it's like a KFC van. The kids are the most cutest things ever here. We've seen about 10 Luckin coffees, I swear. Ah, I think this might be the mall. This could be the mall here.
Yeah, the bars are there.
Oh, we've got the Vasa coffee. Yeah, this looks like a mall. Look, you've got Da Vinci, Watson's and all that. Oh, just look at it. There's so much here. If you know, you know. You've got to go to a mint shoe and we need a drink. Looking 7 yuan for a drink.
Shout out to the Mishu couple.
So get 2 of them up there, Ben. Just point them out. No idea what they are. I'm so excited for these. I'm super duper thirsty. I have no idea what flavour they are. I've got a bad feeling it could be grapefruit though, and I don't like grapefruit. It looks a little bit like grapefruit, doesn't it?
Reanne, live a little.
Oh, it's a bit windy now. So we've got one of these each, and it was 6 yuan each. Iced tea.
We'll see.
Iced tea. Nice, it's got little lumps in it. That's why you get a thick straw, so you can get it through it. We're literally about a 20-minute walk from the main walking street, so we're going to head back now. It's starting to get dark, and we need some rest. Like, we're hitting a little bit jet lag. We ain't doing too bad. We did sleep like over 11 hours, I think, last night.
Yeah. We had a good sleep on the plane and a good sleep last night.
Last night was literally one of the best sleeps I've ever had. So I think we're going to end it here, and we've got so much more to come, but we've had a fantastic first day. I absolutely love this city. I think it's going to be very fun.
Yeah, so anyway, let's get hashtag OTWD trending, because the next 3.5 months is all about China. Subscribe.
The lighting's better that way, so I've got to do it this way.
Sure, sit behind you.
You don't need to be in for it. Hi guys, welcome. Oh. So keep sleep. I'm trying to do your bag up.
Yeah.
It was
so